Hi viewers, this is Phone Clinic and right here with you is Engineer OC. This morning I want to show you how to factory restore a camon 12 Tecno mobile phone without PC. Now if you want to restore your phone, it can be as a result of you forgot your password, your PIN to enable to access your phone. Maybe you forgot the PIN, you try severally, it can't open, you try whichever one, it can't open. Now for you to gain access back to your phone, you have to restore. And now how do you restore your phone? Now the first thing you need to do is you power off the phone. Power off the phone. Power off the phone like this. Now once the phone is off, when you look at the side of the phone, you can see three buttons. This is the power button, this is the volume down button, and this is the volume up button. Now you look at it very well. You look at the power button and you look at the volume up button. These two buttons, you hold the two of them simultaneously like this. You hold it like this. Hold it until you see the Tecno logo. Once you see the Tecno logo, you leave the power button and then you hold the volume up button still until you see this logo appear. No command. Once this menu pop up, what you need to do, you press the power button for 2 seconds and then you press the volume up button at the same time. Look at it. One, you press it like this. A menu pop up like this. Then you use the volume down button to scroll down. There are various options here. Now you can see the wipe data or factory reset option. Then you use the power button to select. It will ask you wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. No, yes. Then you select yes. Use the volume down button again to scroll, and then use the power button to select. Now you can see it's wiping data, formatting data. You can see. Still formatting. Formatting data. Now data wipe complete. Once this is done, then you are done with your hard reset. Thanks for watching. Now you can reboot your phone and then gain the access back to your phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Phone Clinic for more videos. Thank you.